on a tune-up.
It's 11 now.
Shout out to all. Welcome to the Healing Bèmbé for the world. We are so honored to have you all here. We're so honored to be in this space with all of you and to be in New Orleans, live from New Orleans, Louisiana. This Bèmbé, the purpose of this Bèmbé is to send healing out to the entire world. Anyone who's in need of healing, anyone who's in need of physical, emotional, or spiritual healing, this is for you. We are also doing this Bèmbé to have political justice and justice for all, justice particularly for this entire planet. And we're doing this Bèmbé also to fight against racial oppression and fools in the White House. And we are moving forward to do this Bèmbé to call on all holy forces, all the ÒRìṣà, which are the energies and spirits of nature from Nigeria, all of the Obusun, which are the energies and spirits of Ghana, West Africa, and also the Loa, which are very prominent here in Louisiana and connected to the Haitian community. And we are very, very proud and honored to join all these powerful forces together. Thank you for coming to the Healing Bèmbé for the world. Nana Sula Spirit and Baba Marcus Akinlana, we are very honored to do this together. We've been friends for more than 20 years, and this is an honor and a gift to the community.
Alafia and Cabo. If you have a little bowl of water with you,
Yeah.
then it'd be good to put your intention in the water. Ire-dodo. All good fortunes. Ire-bugbo. Ire-bugbo. Ire-dodo. All good fortunes. And we're going to cleanse away anything that we don't need. Wambi, might as well come on behind the camera, from behind the camera. Wambi. Ekabo, Oruko Mini, Baba Marcus Ṣàngódoyin Akinlana. Motide, I'm here. Watide, we are here. Watide, Pelu, Okanfo, Nana, Sula, Janet Evans. Give us your full title.
Nana Okonfo Kokwe Ama Tewia.
She rolls off the tongue. Rolls off the tongue. Pelu Omo Kunrimi. This is my youngest, the baby boy. Ekundayo Akinlana. Give the people a shout out.
What's up?
Give him a shout out again.
Alafia.
All right. Okay, all right. This is the Healing Bèmbé for the World culmination. If you've been riding with us on this whole trip, you've seen quite a few of the behind the scenes action. And if not, you can backtrack it. We put it all up. We sharing.
It's on YouTube too.
Yeah, it's on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Okay? So the time for talk was then. And now's the time for talking through ORIN, ORISHA, ORIN Loa, ORIN Abosun Oriki and Ganga. Songs, praise, historical chants for the African gods. All right. And IT, now's the time for Ilubata, drumming, all that type of thing. All right. Here we go. And if y'all with me, y'all didn't know, you know when to say Ashe. Uh-huh. All right, we ready?
Or I go.
Okay. All right, that's the Ghanaian way?
Yeah, we either say I
Ashe
go.
or I go.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
initiated in Ghana, but I
All
was
right.
initiated in Nigeria.
So we got an Afrocentric,
Ashe.
multicultural crossroads,
Yeah, if you even
which
say
is
amen
our
if you
reality
want.
anyway,
Whatever you need to say.
in what they call a diaspora.
Ashe.
Here we go. Omi tutu. Ona tutu.
Ashe.
Ile tutu.
Ashe.
Tutu ana.
Ashe.
Tutu ago.
Ashe.
Ila aru mojuba.
Ashe.
Iwo aru mojuba.
Ashe.
Ariwo mojuba.
Ashe.
Gusu mojuba.
Ashe.
Ago eshu.
Ashe.
Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago loroye. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago alagbara.
Ashe.
Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago odara. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago loroye.
Ashe.
Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago gedi nimbo.
Ashe.
Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago gedi nimbo.
Ashe.
Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago eshu. Ago go. Ago. Oba kere. Olodumare. Olodumare. Ajubobobo egun. Ajubobobo egun.
Ashe.
Timbe le se Olodumare ibabo turun. Ajubobobo eku ti le se Ṣàngó. Ka o kábíyèsí le o.
Ṣàngó.
Àṣẹ o. Àṣẹ.
Don't me abra. We say bra, bra, bra. We ask you to come, all the spirits from the north, south, east, and west. We thank you so much for all those that have come. We thank you so much for all those that have tuned in. We thank you so much for the Obusum from Ghana. We say I go. We say I go. We say I go. We say bra. We ask you to come. Bra, bra. We ask you to come. We thank you right now for the angels and the ancestors attached to our life. We thank you for all those healing spirits, all the warrior spirits that are coming. We thank you so much for all those that have come to us already and all those that will come to fight for this earth. We thank you so much for the babies being born. We thank you so much for the elders. We thank you so much for our great-great-great-grands. We thank you so much for our ancestors, this generation and 7 to 10, 20 generations back. We thank you so much for all those that have walked on this land, all those New Orleans spirits that have been holding it down, all those New Orleanian, Louisiana spirits that have been holding it down, people that have been holding these traditions down. We thank you. We thank you. We say Akpe. 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 We thank you. We thank you. I want to wait. I want to wait. Yesu, Yesu. Yana, oh, manyo. Adi bankoto. Munjeno, I want to wait. I want to wait. I want to wait. Yesu. Yana, oh, manyo. Adi bankoto. Let it be so. Let it be so. And let it be so. Thank you.
Alaroye jokode Iba òrìṣà máa wò. Alaroye jokode.
Alaroye jokode. Alaroye jokode. Iba òrìṣà máa wò. Alaroye jokode.
Alaroye jokode. Alaroye jokode.
Iba òrìṣà máa wò. Alaroye jokode.
Alaroye jokode. Anilawana jokode.
Iba òrìṣà máa wò. Alaroye jokode.
Alaroye jokode. Alaroye jokode. We ask you to come sit. Alaroye. Come sit. Who are you that divides the road? Come sit. Tani Lawana jokode. Homage to the one who can see. Come sit. Alaroye jokode.
Jókòdé ìbà òrìṣà. Àgọ́ èṣù ọba ìrìnkèjì àjíǹde mọ̀ká àtúwọ̀ àṣeyìbìnì àṣebìdarí ìbà àṣẹ èṣù ìbàgbọ́nà ìbà èṣù alàgbọ́nà ìbà èṣù abaláàkẹ́ ìbà àṣẹ gbogbo èṣù. Ìbàràgò mọ́júbà ọmọdé kan níkò ìbàràgò mọ́júbàrà ẹlẹ́gbàrà ṣùlọ́nà. Ìbàràgò mọ́júbàrà ìbàràgò mọ́júbà ọmọdé kan níkò ìbàràgò mọ́júbàrà ẹlẹ́gbàrà ṣùlọ́nà. Ìbàràgò mọ́júbàrà ìbàràgò mọ́júbà ọmọdé kan níkò ìbàràgò mọ́júbàrà ẹlẹ́gbàrà ṣùlọ́nà. Ìbàràgò mọ́júbàrà. If you dancing, it's cool. Ìbàràgò mọ́júbà ọmọdé kan níkò ìbàràgò mọ́júbàrà ẹlẹ́gbàrà ṣùlọ́nà. Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé ẹlẹ́gbàrà mo forí balẹ̀ ẹlẹ́gbàrà o. Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé ẹlẹ́gbàrà mo forí balẹ̀ ẹlẹ́gbàrà o. Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé ẹlẹ́gbàrà mo forí balẹ̀ ẹlẹ́gbàrà o. Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé Èṣù o ẹlẹ́gbàrà yé ẹlẹ́gbàrà mo forí balẹ̀ ẹlẹ́gbàrà o. Abukenke, abukenke, abukenke oh, abukenke, abukenke, abukenke oh, abukenke, abukenke, abukenke oh, abukenke, abukenke, abukenke oh. Ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ ọ̀dàrà, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ ọ̀dàrà, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ. Ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ ọ̀dàrà, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ ọ̀dàrà, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ ọ̀dàrà, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ ọ̀dàrà, ìṣọ́ṣọ́ abẹ.
Now we salute Papa Legba. Papa Legba, in the Haitian tradition, we salute you. We saluted Eshu Alaroye, Eshu Odara. May the way be open. May the way be open for everyone to receive the healing, to receive the light, to receive all that is. May the healing be opened. May the healing gate be opened. May Papa Legba, may Eshu Odara, may Eshu, owner of the crossroad, come. May you not be tricked on this path. May you be made well. Papa Legba, we salute you. Legba una marea, Legba una marea, Legba c'est eux qui portent le drapeau. C'est eux qui parlent soleil pour le royaume. Legba una barea, legba una barea, legba una barea,
c'est eux qui portent le drapeau.
c'est eux qui parlent soleil pour le royaume. Legba una barea, legba una barea, legba una barea, c'est eux qui portent le drapeau. C'est eux qui parlent soleil pour le royaume.
Legba una barea,
Legba una barea, legba una barea,
c'est eux qui portent le drapeau.
c'est eux qui parlent soleil pour le royaume. 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 We also know him as Baraba. We also know him as the way opener. And now we pay tribute. We pay homage and tribute to all those sacred souls, all those beautiful beings from New Orleans, all those from Louisiana who came to hold down our traditions. We come to salute you now. We must pay tribute to all those spiritualists here in New Orleans and in Louisiana that held down these traditions for us. We pay tribute to the great Papa Fonfon, Damas Luis. We pay tribute to you, great Hungan, who came to bring the medicine of Haiti to us. Our recent ancestor, we pay tribute to you, Papa Fonfon. We love you, we miss you, and we appreciate you. We pay tribute now to the great San Malo, great Maroon leader, who had his settlement in the East, New Orleans East. We thank you, San Malo, who freed many, 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 many people from the slave house, who helped many, 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 many people burn down the slave house. Thank you. We thank you, San Malo. We thank you, we thank you. We now pay tribute to the great mother, Catherine Seals, mother of the Temple of the Innocent Blood in the lower 9th Ward. Oh, we love you. Mother Catherine Seals, we thank you for the ways that you gathered thousands upon thousands upon thousands to the Temple of Temple of the Innocent Blood. You healed many, brought many to light, made many people well. We thank you, Mother Catherine Seals. We pay tribute to you. We now pay tribute to the great Gertrude Morgan, great spiritualist, recording artist and singer and painter, great mother of the Spiritualist Baptist Church. We thank you. We thank you for Black Hawk, the mysteries of the Native people and the mysteries of Black Hawk. We thank you for all the natives that have held us, all the natives that have held us, all the indigenous people that help us to be free. We thank you. We pay tribute to the one they call Dede Sinette, contemporary of Marie Laveau, a great voodoo queen in her time. Learn about her. Dede Sinette, we salute you. We salute the one they call Mama Kwan Kwan, my grandmother, my great-great-great-grandmother, matriarch of the King River Colony. We thank you. I thank you for making me your daughter. I thank you. I pay tribute to you. We pay tribute now to the Dr. John, the first Dr. John, voodoo man, Dr. John, the first. We thank you, Dr. John. We give thanks for Brock Coupe, great maroon leader, who came to free many, 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 many people. We thank you. For those that we have called and those that we have not called, we give you respect. We give you honor. We love you because you have helped us. You have helped us to heal. You have helped us to move on. May we be the maroons of our time. May we be the freedom fighters of our time. May we be the abolitionists of our time. We thank you. And now we salute the great mother, Vodun Queen, Marie Laveau. Oh! We love you. We honor you. We respect you. Great mother, great Vodun Queen, great hairdresser, great businesswoman, freed many, and helped many. We salute you. Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, hey Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, the Voodoo Queen, way down yonder, down in New Orleans. Oh, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, hey Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, the Voodoo Queen, way down yonder, down in New Orleans. Marie Laveau, great, great, great Voodoo Queen, Haitian blood, Haitian lineage, born here in America. She led us in many ways with potions, green bags, love, stability in our families and our lives. We thank you. She helped many, 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 many people be freed from jail. When you were sick and shut in, she came to see you. Let us return to those ways. We thank you, Mama. Oh, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, hey, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, the Voodoo Queen, way down yonder, down in New Orleans. Oh, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, hey, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, the Voodoo Queen, way down yonder, down in New Orleans. Now, Mama, we calling you in this time. We need you to bring justice to this planet now. All those that we have called, we need you to bring justice to this planet right now. We need you to fight those that fight against us. Fight those that fight against us. We thank you for your work. We thank you for your potions. We thank you for your spiritual baths. We thank you for your wisdom. We thank you for your mothering. Oh, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, hey, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, the Voodoo Queen, way down yonder, down in New Orleans. Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, hey, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, Marie Laveau, the Voodoo Queen, way down yonder, down in New Orleans. I go. May the way be open for her mysteries to always come in. We thank you, Marie Laveau. We thank you for all you have given. We thank you. And now, we salute the great Orisha, Ogun. We salute the great warrior, Ogun. We need you right now. We need you, Baba. Ogun of the forest. Ogun the blacksmith. Ogun who comes to fight on the ground for us. When you need some protection, we ask you right now. We need your protection. We ask you to come. We ask you to come with the machete to fight those that fight against us. We ask you to come with the machete to fight those that fight against us. We ask you to come with the machete to fight those that fight against us. We ask for greater leadership on this planet. We ask that you be in the hearts of the minds of those that are leading us. We ask that you be in the White House to fight anything that is against the greater humanity. May you fight against greater things that are greater than us. We thank you, we thank you, we thank you. We thank you. Continue to help us, Ogun. Ogun dede arere, ire bobo lokua. Ogun walile, Ogun walona. Ire bobo lokua e. Ogun dede arere, ire bobo lokua. Ogun walile, Ogun walona. Ire bobo lokua e. Awanile onile, awanile my. Awanile onile,
Awanile my.
awanile kilonze.
Awanile my.
Awanile kilonze.
Awanile my.
Awanile onile.
Awanile my.
Awanile onile.
Awanile my.
Awanile kilonze.
Awanile my.
Awanile kilonze.
Awanile my.
Afere yo.
Afere yo.
Oguna rere afere yo.
Afere yo.
Afere yo.
Afere yo.
Oguna rere afere yo.
Afere yo.
Awanile onile. Awanile my. Oguna rere kilonze.
Awanile my.
Arere onile. Awanile my. Oguna rere kilonze. Awanile my. Arere onile.
Awanile my.
Oguna rere kilonze. Awanile my. Amala oguna rere amala hea. Amala oguna rere amala hea. Amala oguna rere amala hea. Oguna rere amala hea. Amala oguna rere amala hea. Amala oguna rere amala hea. Amala oguna rere amala hea. Ogun, bring us wealth. Ogun, bring us wealth. Amala oguna rere amala hea. Amala oguna rere amala hea.
Amala oguna
Rere amala hea. Yepa. 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 Jaye modashe oguna lado orisha. Yepa. Ekwa. Yepa. Yepa. Jaye modashe oguna lado orisha. Awanile Ogun mariwo. Awanile Ogun mariwo. Ogun na pomode. Owili abere mariwo. Ogun de bamba. Awanile Ogun marilo. Awanile Ogun mariwo. Ogun na pomode. Owili abere mariwo. Ogun de bamba. Hey mariwo yanya. Ogun na rere arere yo. Hey mariwo yanya. Ogun na rere arere yo. Hey mariwo yanya. Ogun na rere arere yo. Hey mariwo yanya. Hey mariwo yanya. Ogun, fight for us. Hey mariwo
Ogun jà fún us. Ogun jà fún wa. Creole, Yoruba and English. Ogun fight for us. Ogun jà fún wa.
Hey mariwo yanya.
Ìbà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Ògún. Ìbà ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ Ògún by the green. Ó ní ire. Ó ní ilé. Alájọrún alágbà. Ara ọ̀run. Jagunjagun lágbàlá. Ọkùnrin mẹ́ta. Ó ní adá méjì. Ògún. Ọba lọ́nà òmìnira. Ọba lọ́nà dáradára. Ọba lọ́nà ìṣèdítùn dáradára. Ògún
owner of the machete, come. Mariwo, yeah, 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 Mariwo, Ogun Mariwo, Mariwo, yeah, 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 Mariwo,
Ogun Mariwo,
Mariwo, yeah, 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 Mariwo,
Ogun Mariwo,
Mariwo, yeah, 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 Mariwo,
Ogun Mariwo,
Amala, Ogunarere, Amala, yeah,
Amala, Ogunarere, Amala,
Amala, Ogunarere, Amala,
Amala, Ogunarere, Amala,
Afereyo,
Afereyo,
Ogunarere, Afereyo,
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 Ogunarere, Afereyo,
Afereyo,
Awanile o, Ogun Mariwo, Awanile o, Ogun Mariwo, Ogun Lofomode, Owili Abere, Mariwo, Ogun de Bamba, Awanile o, Ogun Mariwo, Awanile o, Ogun Mariwo, Ogun Lofomode, Owili Abere, Mariwo, Ogun de Bamba, yeah, We need the machete, Ogun. We need you to cut through our obstacles, any obstacles on our road as a people, as humanity, cut through our obstacles, clear our road, clear our forest. Ogun Wanile, Ogun Walona, Ogun is in the house. Ile, Ogun is on the road. Ona. We need you, Ogun. And now we speak about the beautiful and great one called Ochosi. Ochosi the hunter. We thank you, Ochosi. You have been here for us. You come to help us keep our focus. You come to remind us that we are shamans, that we must stay in our own forest and keep our focus. Thank you for the bow and arrow. Thank you for all the 100 tribes. In Ghana, we call Ochosi, the same spirit of the 100 tribes. We call that Tigare. So I salute Tigare right now. Tigare, 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 thank you. You have held me up for a long time. Thank you for keeping me focused, for keeping me in your grip. We thank you, Ochosi. Ochosi, Ochosi, we thank you. We thank you. Ochosi omumi wara wara, okay okay. Obaloki omumi wara wara, okay okay. Ochosi omumi wara wara, okay okay. Ochosi omumi wara wara, okay okay. Obaloki omumi wara wara, okay okay. Ochosi omumi wara wara, okay okay. Obaloki omumi wara wara, okay okay. Ochosi ayiloda mala malade.
Ochosi,
Ayiloda
mala malade.
Ochosi ayiloda mala malade.
Ochosi, ayiloda mala malade.
Sire sire ode mata ode ode. 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 Hey, Yambeleke loro ode mata dolona. Yambeleke iloro, ode mata dolona. Yambeleke iloro, ode mata dolona. Ode mata ibala ode fa, ode mata ibala ode fa, ode mata ibala ode fa, ode mata ibala ode fa. Odede awa let it go for ya, 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 awa let it go for ya. Thank you, Ochosi.
Oshosi odede, odede arele. Oshosi odede, odede arele. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade. Oshosi odede, odede arele. Oshosi odede, odede arele. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade. Oshosi odede, odede arele. Oshosi odede, odede arele. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade. Ayiloda, malamalade.
Boyaka! Woo! May Ochosi always bring you food in your households. May you always have food. May you always have whatever is available in the forest. May you have it. May Ochosi
quick.
bring you, and quickly, and
Oshosi
swiftly.
brings you quick. Straight
Yes.
this line. Fuyaka.
That's
May
right.
you win in all your court cases. May you come up in the court case right.
Ashe.
But you're going to have a case every now and then.
Yeah.
Whether it's the kitchen, whether it's in the kitchen, and maybe cases against you in the kitchen, the bowling alley, you know what I'm saying? Or if it's in the courthouse, in whatever country you might be in.
That's right. So remember
Whatever the
Ochosi.
country. When they make a case against you, man, you come up in there right,
That's right.
and come up in there like Oshosi,
That's right.
slipping in and slipping out.
That's right. That's right.
Shosio de Mata, the hunter has arrived.
Yes.
The Kuna King,
Ashe.
the brave
Yes.
leopard,
Yes. Ashe. Yes.
original Bushmaster.
Yeah. The bush doctor. Mixing all that medicine in them words, being the shaman that he is. Showing us how to be the shaman. Ashe. Modupwe. 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 And now, we salute my father in the Orisha tradition. Omolu. Babalu Aye. Healer of humanity. Healer of us all. May he hide us from illness. May he save us from pestilence. May he remove whatever this nonsense of COVID, whatever on the planet. May he remove that. May he remove anything that is no longer needed. We salute you, Omolu.
Adupwe from ILE Tutu, Cool Earth, for all the people here, right here, in our love circle who have been saved from COVID-19 by the one and only Omolu. Baba Luaye, Shakwana, ILE Tutu. Adupwe Pupa Fum, Obaluaye. Y'all have been rolling with us for this whole quarantine. You know what I'm talking about. May you be well.
May you be well. And now in this moment, if there be anyone dealing with any illness or dis-ease in the body, we ask that it go deep in the earth, that Omolu comes to take anything from you. If you're dealing with a headache or any serious illness, we ask for the right now that it go deep, 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 deep in the earth, deep in the earth, deep in the earth. We're asking for Omolu to come and remove illness and ill thoughts from the earth. Illness from the planet that no longer saves us. So if there is a part in your body that needs healing, resonate on it now. Concentrate on that part now. Touch yourself and heal yourself in this moment. Ask that power come from the sky into your hands and you touch yourself and say, I am well by the power of all that is holy. Thank you, Omolu. Baba Luaye kwa Baba Luaye kwa Oba Luaye kwa Be in our lungs, be in our brains, be in our bodies, be in our organs, liver, kidneys, everything. Be in us. Be the light that we need to see. Be the light in us. Be the healing force, the rod that comes straight from the heavens to us. We thank you for the ways that you've helped us. We thank you for the ways you've healed us. We thank you, Baba.
Afile mi bumi kowo. Shapana takunja mi yarami. Iba riba afile mi bumi kowo. Iko bigu, iko bigu, iko bigu. Rei leti, reti, reti, re. Ekun kuku.
ye, our lady so, Baba. Aberi kutu, our lady so, Kwa Baba. Our lady kutu, our lady so, Ore Baba. Baba Lua ye, our lady so, Baba. Baba eh, Baba Soroso, Baba eh, Baba Soroso, Baba Luaye, Yafomore, Baba Shire Shire, Baba eh, Baba Soroso, Baba eh, Baba Soroso, Baba Luaye, Yafomore, Baba Shire Shire, Shire Moba, 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 Baba Shire Shire. Shire, shire. Ashe to Omolu. Hey, we love some Omolu.
Ashe, Omolu Ejowo. When Arawa cleanse our bodies. When Oriwa cleanse our minds. When Iwa cleanse our character. Shiro Iba Ashe Omolu. Ha. Savior every year. Every Odun Bugbo. Omolu. Pay wow, Omolu saves us.
Now we salute the great Obatala, the one that comes to cool our heads, the one that comes to keep us from being angry, the one that comes to bring peace to our households, the one that comes to connect us to our divine destiny. The one that comes to give us that God connection, that direct line from our Ori, our crown chakra, top of our head, all the way to the heavens. Obatala hears our prayers.
Ori, Pelu Orisha. In the words of the late great chief Adenibi Ajimu Ibaba Torun. Time to line up Ori, Pelu Orisha.
Time to line up the Ori with the Orisha, with the beings of light. So we thank Obatala because we need peace in our household. We say, weenie, mobaile, Obatala, mobaile. A fine shower of goodness, weenie, mobaile. I found in my house. Obatala, mobaile. I found in my house. May Obatala be in your houses. If there be confusion in your house, if there be arguments in your house, bring Obatala in. Let him come on his long chain from the heavens. That's what Baba's doing now. Coming down on the long chain from the heavens. Because Olorun sent Obatala to earth to make earth and the first people. Now Obatala is also the guardian of those with physical challenges. So for anyone who has physical challenges in this time, we ask that you be healed, you be made well. We ask for power to be in your legs, for power to be in your arms, for power to be in your body, for power to be in your spine. Obatala is the guardian of those with special needs. So may our children with special needs be lifted up. May our elders with special needs be lifted up. May Obatala be on both the right and the left side of each person that has a special need. And may he lift you up. Obatala will salute you. We salute you. Baba Furu Ereo Okanyenye Ilejibo Eleri Fao Basi Basawo Ejibo Ereo Basi Bao Enuaye Nagualoro Yagualoro Elesioka Baba Furu Ereo Okanyenye Ilejibo Eleri Fao Basi Basawo Ejibo Ereo Basi Bao Enuaye Yagualoro Elesioka Baba Furu
Bobo la inya selede. Selede o baba selede o. Bobo la inya selede. O baba selede. Baba selede o. Bobo la inya selede. Selede o baba selede o. Bobo la inya selede. O baba bobo la inya selede. O baba bobo la inya selede. O baba bobo la inya selede. Bobo la inya selede. I said, Baba, Baba, Watala. Thank you. We need you. Bringer of peace, bring peace to this planet. We need you to bring peace to Aye, to the earth, to the planet. Thank you, Obatala. Thank you. We also need great, great, great peace in our spirits. Let us not be worried in this time, for we have always been carried. Our ancestors have always carried us. And our ancestors carried our ancestors. How about that? It goes all the way back. So, we thank you, Obatala. May you bring Obatala, the peace of Obatala to our youth. May you be calm, knowing that your future is secured as long as you stay in the light. You must stay in the light. Ashe. Akete oba oba seniye. Akete oba seniye. Baba Joko dara oba la yese. Baba oba la yese. Baba Fumi la ye. Akete oba seniye. Akete oba seniye. Baba Joko dara oba la yese. Oba la yese, Baba Fumi la ye. Akete oba seniye. Akete oba seniye. Baba Joko dara oba la yese. Baba oba la yese, Baba Fumi la ye. Akete oba seniye. Akete oba seniye. Baba Joko dara oba la yese. Oba la yese, Baba Fumi la ye. Ahe, oba la yese. Baba oba la yese. Baba Fumi la ye. Ahe, oba la yese. Baba oba la yese. Baba Fumi la ye. Oba la e. Oba la di de. Oba la e. Oba la di de. Oba la te yesi mo. Oba la di de. Oba la e. Oba la di de. Oba la e. Oba la di de. Oba la te yesi mo. Oba la di de. Baba ego. Gini baba. Gini baba ma wo. Baba ego. Gini baba. Gini baba ma wo. Baba ego. Gini baba. Gini baba ma wo. Baba ego. Gini baba. Baba gini wo. Gini baba. Father of the first cripple. May you always be made well. All those with special needs. Baba ego. Gini baba. You are special children to Obatala. All those with special needs are the children of Obatala. You are special on this earth. Always know that. Baba ego, gini baba mawo. 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 So remember, all you with special needs, you are special in the eyes of Obatala. That is your guardian. Obatala will make sure you never stumble or fall. Obatala will help you learn more about Obatala. Ashe. And now, we speak about the great-great-great-grandmothers. All the grannies. We salute you all. In this song, we salute Nana Buruku. I pay a special tribute to my own mother.
Elaine Chalette, may you receive light. I thank you to all the grandmothers, all the grannies that have held us down for us. Nanaburuku, grandmother, primordial grandmother. She holds a place for all women who have not had children. Ashe, Bashe. Thank you. I thank you, Mother. We are all mothers, whether you've had a child from your womb or not. Nanaburuku, come help us mix the medicine in the woods. She mixes medicine in the woods to make sure that we are well. She is the grandmother and the guardian patron grandmother of Louisiana. Grandmother of swampy water, grandmother of swampy water, we salute you. Grandmother of the bayous, grandmother of alligators, mama of the alligators, we salute you. So we thank you, Nana Boruku. We thank you, thank you. Akama olodo iwolo, akama olodo naiwe, akama olodo naiwe, ae, ae. Olodo, 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 nai bopele, akama kamado. Bopele, akama kamado, nana buruku. Bopele, akama kamado, awe awe. Akama kamado, awe. Bopele, akama kamado. Salute the grandmothers and the grandfathers. Obatala, representing the grandfathers. Nanaburuku, representing the grandmothers. Oh, I'm so grateful for our grandmothers, my God. I love them. And now, we come to my VUDU mommy, Mommy Water. She's my mother. I'm a priestess of Mommy Water. And I'm so glad she chose me. Hey, hey, Mommy, I love you. Mother of the mermaids. Hey, I love you. Thank you for choosing me as your daughter. May I do good work in this body. May all the mamisis around the world be saluted right now. May all the mamisis, all the daughters and sons, may you all be saluted right now. May all the mamisis be saluted in this time. Big biggie wele go nalemo. Mami what's wele go nalemo. Chandoma wele go nalemo. Mami what's wele go nalemo. Chandoma Mami what's wele go nalemo. Welego Nalemo. In the Igbo language, we sing this song. Igbigi Welego Nalemo. Igbigi mother. Welego Nalemo. Mother. Bring us wealth. Welego Nalemo. Igbina Chando Ma. Mommy water. If you say this so, we will have wealth. May you take us across the water, the salt waters that you govern. May you take us across the waters to trade and to do business across the water. May we bring our money back to Africa and back to the places that need us most. We thank you. May we bring our money and our goodness to America too. Mommy water, help us, heal us. Let us remember the mermaids. Let us remember the ocean. When we need help, we go to Mommy water. Biggie mother, heal us. Biggie. Mommy water, Welego Nalemo. Chandoma. Mommy water, Welego Nalemo. We salute all the VUDU shrines around the world, all the Sangomas, all of the ones holding all the traditions around the world, the shamans, we salute you. Mommy water, Welego Nalemo. Now we call on the healing forces of Yemaya.
And we're going to call on Baba Eshu to open our communications. Since it seems that we are having some technical difficulties, I do not know if it's because the sun is making the equipment hot. It's always usually hot here in Louisiana, but whatever the technical difficulties are, and you walk Baba Eshu, Beba O Eshu open up the roads as Ekundayo. He's behind the scenes trying to get it up instantly. Immediately.
If not sooner.
If not sooner. Use your head or Orini or Khan. It's hot, the sun.
I can't fight the sun.
You can't fight the sun. All right, we'll put it at the bottom of the table over there in the shade. Put them down in the bottom. Put them in the bottom. In the shit, no, over here. Down in the bottom, under the shade, under those tables. Set it up, get it set up. Get on the ground, get them set up ASAP. Please. So, whoa.
So you want to talk a little bit about Yemaya?
We know Ekundayo's going to save the day.
Absolutely, Ekundayo
We're going
always
to find a
saves the
shady
day.
spot.
He surely
The
is.
equipment is overheating. We didn't count on that.
No.
But y'all just bear with us. Bear with us if I guess if you ain't on there, or we ain't on there, you can hear us. Let's see, it looks like you on Instagram Live, right?
I'm on Facebook Live, and you on Instagram Live.
Nana Sula's Facebook Live is still up.
Yeah.
Both of mine are down right now.
Instagram is
Both of them down. He's trying to set them up.
We're just gonna keep the vibration going.
Yeah, we're gonna
Just
keep it
the
going. And
music
look,
going.
we have clean video. Make sure when you finish with that, Dio, make sure that phone ain't getting hot too.
I mean, it ain't cut off yet.
All right, you check on that. Did those shut down from overheating?
Yeah, both of these did.
They both shut down. They done?
I mean, we can let them cool, but until they're cool, we can't really do it.
All right, well, we're going to leave it in your hands.
Well, this will also be on YouTube later. You can always check it out later if you miss it.
All right, do what you got to do. Let's keep going. By shade or ruin the sun. Do it with the sun to come and heat things up. I like the heat.
Yeah.
My iPad doesn't like the heat.
No, it doesn't.
Neither one of our iPads like the heat, but I like the heat. Come on with it now.
Yes. So we now want to talk about the great Yemaya. The the mother of Ogun, mother of the Ogun River. Before we were taken and stolen from Africa, she was the mother of the Ogun River and still is. But when we crossed the waters, she became the mother of the ocean because she took us across the waters. So we thank you, Yemaya. We thank you, Mother. We ask you to heal us. We ask you to heal this equipment. We ask you to heal our lives. Heal the equipment.
Ask you to cool the equipment.
Yeah, cool the equipment.
Say tutu, say tutu, say tutu, iPad. Say tutu, say tutu, tutu, iPad. Cool, cool, cool. iPad.
So, Yemaya, we salute you. May all women that want to give birth, may you become fruited. May your wombs become fruited. May your families be well. May those that want marriage, may you receive marriage. For those that want their families together, may your families be reunited. For those that want to heal their children and elevate their children, may your children be elevated. May you go to the salt water to speak to Yemaya, the converter of sand to salt. We salute you. The converter of sand to salt, we salute you. We salute you, Mother. Agolona oh, yale, agolona oh, yale, yale, yaluma oh, yale oh, mi yale ayaba mi oh, oh, quo. Yale, oh mi yale, ayaba humio, oh binisa oh, yale, oh yale. Ayaba humio, ayaba humio, ayaba humio.
Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja she.
Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja she.
Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja pepe ye.
Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja
pepe ye. Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja she.
Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja she.
Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja pepe ye.
Bolo suko niye moja. Bolo suko niye moja pepe ye.
La dio que la dio que dio que la 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 dio que okay la dio okay la dio okay la dio okay la dio okay, okay, lade, okay,
Okay, lade, oh.
okay, okay, lade, 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 wow. Dukwe phone and shoot. We got one line back up.
See,
Ekundayo's on the case.
Ekundayo, we give thanks to you, baby boy, baby son. Even though you're not a baby, you're grown man.
Maybe we can get 2 lines back up now. We'd be spoiled.
And now we want to speak about the great mother Oba. The one who comes to govern our households, the one that comes to help our households. The one that comes to make sure that tricksters don't come into our household. We thank you, Oba. We thank you for the ways that you have mothered us. We thank you for the ways that you've taught us how to listen. She governs the ear. May we always hear the right messages. Good hearing. Ashe. May we not be tricked by people that want to come and take what is ours. May we not be tricked by people that come to tell us false tales. May we hear what our own soul says and not what fools may bring us. Oba teaches us how to listen. Oba Igbo Siareo Oba Igbo Inu awaye Oba Igbo Siareo Oba Igbo Siareo I realized I just sang a song to Shango.
You must have got this a Bèmbé.
I think Shango just wanted to come over here. I now want to sing to Oba Iya Oba Lomoba. But Oba Igbo came in.
That's all in the family.
I guess so. I guess so. Ashe. Well, we're now going to sing to Oba. Because Oba Koso wanted to come in, so we're going to let him in, and we're not going to say it's a mistake because it's not a mistake.
Kabiesi will arrive in good time.
Exactly. Kabiesi is coming. Now we want to sing to Oba. Iya Oba Lomoba, Iya Oba Lomoba, Aya Osi Eleko, Iya Oba Lomoba,
Iya Oba Lomoba, Iya Oba Lomoba, Aya Osi Eleko, Iya Oba Lomoba,
Iya Oba Lomoba, Iya Oba Lomoba, Aya Osi Eleko, Iya Oba Lomoba,
Iya Oba Lomoba, Iya Oba Lomoba, Aya Osi Eleko, Iya Oba Lomoba,
Iya Oba Lomoba, Iya Oba Lomoba, Aya Osi Eleko, Iya Oba Lomoba,
Ìyá ọba lọ́mọ.
All right, Oba. I understand why Shango came in first, because Shango is her husband. So Shango said, hey, you gotta sing to me and then sing to Oba. So we give thanks for Oba. Oba is often an Orisha that many people don't include, and we want to make sure we always remember her. She must be remembered in this time. She must be remembered because she's teaching us a lot about how to hear. And we must hear the right things. So may she go in our ears. May she be in our ears. May she give us what we need to hear the right. So we say Ashe to Oba. We love you, Oba. We now salute the mighty, mighty, mighty Oshun. Oshun. We thank you, Mama Oshun. Oshun of the sweet water. Oshun that comes to teach us how to be balanced. Oshun that also comes to bring us wealth. Oshun that comes to bring us love. For anyone looking for love, may you find it in the right places and not in the wrong places. May she come to bless you. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Don't be singing that song. Looking for love in all the wrong places. Looking for love in Oshun's face is what you should be singing, right? So we thank you.
Together soon.
Yes.
I hope that we can be together soon, real soon.
So we thank you, Oshun, Mother of Laughter. That's why we're laughing. May she teach us how to be joyful. We need to be joyful, happy, uplifted. The Mother of Laughter, may she teach us how to laugh, to take things lighthearted. She governs the heart. We also salute Urzuli. We need the heart chakra healed. We need love to be right. We need black love, brown love, yellow love, whatever it is to be right. Red love, I don't care. We just need love to come. May the love of the planet be here. May the love for each of you be here. And all those that are dealing with difficulty in their marriages, may it be just great. May passion be restored. May love be restored. May you just fall in love in this moment, in this song.
Hold on. Just a little word on the tech difficulties. And so, Bèmbé, we're going to deal with whatever, but I have a good recording that I'm making right here. And that should be fine. So after all is said and done in the next few days, I'll post it up. So you ain't missed nothing. I hope you're back in here with us. If you was on my social media, but you ain't missing nothing. We got it covered. Shumbaleo, yeye paleo. Shumbaleo, alawe keke baleo. Shumbaleo, yeye baleo. 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 Shumbaleo, alawe keke baleo. Shumbaleo, alawe keke baleo. Shumbaleo, alawe keke baleo. Stick with it, keep singing.
Keke baleo, Shumbaleo.
Morio yeye. Iya miko yesu. Ọ̀ṣun obìnrin lọ́rọ̀ abẹ́dẹ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀ṣun. Wọ́n nìkan lálẹ́ yìí, wọ́n nìkan lálẹ́ yìí. Yẹ́yìn ká wá rí, yá wá rí. Ọ̀gá iliku àṣẹ ìbò àyànà jùbà. Ọ̀ṣun ẹni fún ẹ̀rín lórúkú sí ààyè gbọ̀ngbọ̀n. Ọ̀ṣun ní yẹyẹ wa o. Ìbà ṣe Ọ̀ṣun ní gbogbo ara. Ìbà ṣe Ọ̀ṣun ìbùkọ́lẹ̀. Oshun, our mother who's so beautiful, she don't even need recognition. Eli markings on her face. The woman of tradition of the brass fang. Oshun is a savior. Ha. Y'all come meet us at the river, I guarantee you. Oshun is a savior. Yeah, baleo. Oshun baleo, alawe keke baleo. Oshun baleo, alawe keke baleo. Shumbaleo, alawe keke baleo. Shumbaleo, alawe keke baleo.
Ah, that was nice. That was fun. I didn't want that to end. That baleo.
Baleo.
That's the best part. Woo! Now. We salute our mother, our other mother, one of our many mothers. Oh yeah. We call her the Transformer. In fact, check out I want you to check out my video called The Transformer, featuring Sonny Patterson on YouTube, and also Healing Humanity video about Baba Luaye. We salute you, oh yeah, the Transformer, the one who comes with the winds of change. May she blow the winds of change into this government. May she blow winds of change on November 3rd into this world. We have fools out of the White House and intelligent thinking people into the White House. We thank you for the winds of change, Mama Oya. We thank you for transforming us, taking us higher. Let your winds of change come to take us higher. Let your winds of change blow into our lives and bring us into our divine destiny, the very reason why we were born. We need to be brought into our divine destiny. Thank you, Mama Oya. Ayilodaya okuo olomode keyo ayaba. Ayilodaya okuo olomode keyo ayaba. Oyade mariwo oyansa loro shokoto. Oyade
to me, oh yeah. Oh yeah, yansa. Aya, wait, ewe. Ayilota. Obi yago, ogidi mule, obitiko. Obi rin shokoto fine. Talo ki o ya. Oh yeah, what you want to pa. Oh yeah, yek me so yo ya but you no na fake cool. But no go na wish. Ayaba. Oh yeah, win. Ewa my joy, ewa my joy, ewa boyo la we wole she, ewa my joy, ewa oh yeah, ewa my joy, ewa my joy, ewa boyo la we. My joy, oh yeah. My joy, my joy, boyo la we wole she. My joy, oh yeah. My joy, my joy, boyo la we wole she. My joy, oh yeah. My joy, my joy, boyo la we wole she. My joy, oh yeah. My joy, my joy, boyo la we wole she. My joy, oh yeah. The mover of hurricanes.
Yes.
The savior of New Orleans. Ha! From hurricanes.
Yes.
From our brother, Native American divinity Hurricane. Ha! Epai, oh yeah.
Teach.
Ha! Ayaba, Bobolo ya. The queen of all the winds. Adupwe Pupa, oh yeah. In 2020. Adupwe Pupa, oh yeah. Pelu, oh Logun.
You've been saving us.
Saving us from 3 hurricane strikes in a row. Oh yeah, all I can say is like this. My joy, my joy, oh your la we wole she. My joy, oh yeah, my joy, my joy, oh your la we wole she. My joy, oh yeah, my joy, my joy, boyo la we wole she. My joy, ha. My joy, my joy, boyo la we wole she. My joy,
Oya Yansa. And now we come to the conclusion of this Bèmbé. Saluting last Shango. Today is Baba Marcus Akinlana's 17 years as a priest of Baba Shango. We say, thank you, Baba Marcus. Thank you, Baba Ṣàngódoyin, all the work that you have put into this city, into this world in 40 years. Your murals all over Chicago, your murals in Philadelphia, your work on this planet. We thank you, Baba Ṣàngódoyin. Thank you. Thank you for this work. Thank you for who you are. Thank you for being my brother of more than 20 years. Thank you for your powerful children, your beautiful wife, and your powerful wife. Thank you for being my family and my friends. And I thank you. Thank you for this powerful work together. We salute Shango. We must get off our chairs.
VUDU.
Yes. We must get up off our chairs for Shango because he is a king. A king, a true king. So we say, Oba Igbo, the king of Igbo. We salute you. May you allow us to pull our power down from the sky. May you bring justice in this election. May you bring justice to us on this earth plane. May you bring justice to us as a people. May you bring justice to the people who are in trouble. May you bring justice to people who are in jail serving ridiculous sentences. May you be the abolitionist. May you be the one to free us. Shango of the lightning bolt. Shango. Kawo. The king is not dead. The king lives in each and every one of us. The king is not dead. Oba Igbo, Siareo, Oba Igbo, Siareo, Edwa Malahebo. Koso inu àwáyé Ọba Igbo sí àrè o Ọba Igbo sí àrè o. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Oba, oh. Oba, yana, yana. Oba, oh. Oba, yana, yana. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Oba, oh. Oba, yana, yana. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Oba, oh. Oba, yana, yana. Oba, oh. Oba, yana, yana. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Obalube, Obalube, Oba, oh. Oba, oh. Oba, yana, yana. Oba, oh. Oba, yana, yana. Oba, sere, Ṣàngó ìlọrin. Oba Shere, Shango Iloro, 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 Oba Shere, Shango Iloro. Shango, may you always remind us that we are of royal blood. May you always remind us that we are kings and queens and come from royal blood. We must remember to live in our full integrity. Oba Koso, Inuawaye. Thank all of you who are tuned in to this healing Bèmbé. We thank you, Baba Ṣàngódoyin, all your ancestors, your Òrìṣà, your Egun, your angels, your family. I also give thanks for my Egun, my family, the Òrìṣà and Obusun that govern my life. I give thanks for my elders. I give thanks for Nanasan Trophy in Ghana. I give thanks for Nana Obusun Foria, my father. I give thanks for Grandfather Ipega of Nigeria. I give thanks to Bamade Olayinka of Brooklyn, New York. The Egbe of Òrìṣà. I thank you for all those that have guided me. I thank you for all those that have guided Baba Ṣàngódoyin. Ekuodun, my brother. Happy birthday to you. Many. May you live to be an old man. May you live to be an old man, and I live to be an old woman.
Ibashe Obakoso. Ibashe Shango Obakoso. Ibashe Shango Olukoso. Ibashe Shango Alafin. Shango Alafin Oru. Olukoso Aru Akuchi Aye. Ọ̀sẹ̀ inú ẹlẹ́mú ìnàjẹ́ ọba lórí odò Ṣàngó ará Abia ará Ìkìlẹ̀dì ará Imess ará Maywood Illinois ará Chicago ará Midwest ará ILE ΕΚỌ ÀṢÀ YORÀBÁ ní New Orleans ará ayé ọlọ́jọ̀kẹ́ láàrin yàrin ọmọ yẹmọjá Ṣàngó ọgọ́rùn méje onímọ̀sínú ẹ̀dẹ̀ nsá àti mbẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun lẹ́yìn jù ọba mọ̀nàmọ̀nà ó ní ará kábíyèsí o. Ibashe Aláàfin Ọ̀yọ́ ìdí Olúfínrẹ́ ọba kọfí ọba asangiri alagiri ọlagiri ká kọmọkùnrin bọ̀ Ṣàngó ká kọmọkùnrin bọ̀ èkúrú gbàgbà lọ́dà ilẹ̀ àti ọ̀bùlẹ̀ yìí tọ̀ síbọ̀ ilẹ̀ àti ọ̀bùlẹ̀ yìí tọ̀ síbọ̀ Ògún lábì ẹ̀kẹ́ lùkàrà bí àjẹrẹ máa bú máa sá máa sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ lẹ́yìn bàbá bá ń kọ́lẹ̀ Ṣàngó bàbá bá ń kọ́lẹ̀ ní ọlọ́nà ìgbẹ́hùn Ṣàngó òru rẹ̀fẹ̀ òru gùdùgbù àìnúgùdùgbù láìsọmọ ẹ̀rákọ̀ tẹ̀lẹ́bẹ̀ Ṣàngó àrẹ̀mú dẹ̀kọ̀kẹ̀ Ibashe bàbá ọ̀ṣàmì bàbá wàlàwùrù ọba àìnà lọ́jọ́ ọba àìnà lẹ́nu Ṣàngó káwọ́ kábíyèsí lẹ́ o.
Ṣàngó.
Ṣàkújà.
Àṣẹ Ṣàngó. Mo forí borere, mo forí borere, mo forí borere, mo forí borere, mo forí borere o. Ṣàngó tó kàn tó yáde, mo forí borere o. Ṣàngó tó kàn tó yáde, mo forí borere, 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 mo forí borere o. Ṣàngó tó kàn tó yáde, mo forí borere o. Ṣàngó tó kàn tó yáde, mo forí balẹ̀ Ṣàngó ìlú bá mi, aládọ́ lù bá mi, mo forí balẹ̀ Ṣàngó ìlú bá mi, aládọ́ lù bá mi, mo forí balẹ̀ Ṣàngó ìlú bá mi, aládọ́ lù bá mi, mo forí balẹ̀ Ṣàngó ìlú bá mi,
aládọ́ lù bá mi. vocabulary.
Ṣàngó.
Òrìṣà bẹ́yọ̀.
Òrìṣà bẹ́yọ̀.
Ọmọ
Ògún
bẹ́yọ̀.
bẹ́yọ̀.
Ẹ̀gún bẹ́yọ̀. Ọmọ Odùduwà níwà o.
Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ Òmìnira níwà o.
Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ Geronimo níwà o.
Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ John Horse níwà o.
Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ Zumbi dos Palmares níwà o.
Àṣẹ. Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ Amy Jacks Garvey níwà o.
Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ Kwame Nkrumah níwà o.
Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ Miriam Makeba níwà o.
Àṣẹ. Kwame Ross.
Ọmọ Winnie Mandela níwà o.
Àṣẹ.
Ọmọ Alagba, we the children of champions.
Àṣẹ.
Àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Korea, àṣẹ àwòrán bàbá wa o. Àdúpẹ́ fún gbogbo ìrúnmalẹ̀.
Àṣẹ.
We give thanks to all the divinities. Àdúpẹ́ fún gbogbo ẹ̀gún wa. We give thanks to our ancestors.
Àdúpẹ́.
Àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ní Korea, àṣẹ àwòrán bàbá wa o. Àṣẹ.
Àṣẹ. Thank all of you who have tuned in. We want to close out just
Wanna
asking
get my
that
OB.
we're going to, Baba
Talk
is
to the
going to
people.
get his
Sọ̀rọ̀
OB.
pẹ̀lẹ́ gbogbo
Yes.
òyìn àdúpẹ́ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin that join us. We give thanks to all the people that join us. Talk to the people who come.
We give thanks for all the people who've joined us. We give thanks to all the people who have contributed to this powerful event. This has been a working that has been very powerful for us as well. We have learned a lot. We have grown a lot. We have just been given great joy by doing this. Thank all of you. All of you that have sent in your names of your families for prayers. We thank you for that too. We've been praying. We've been praying. We've been praying for this earth. May we have justice on this earth. May we have justice in this upcoming election. May our people be honored. May our people be given the proper respect we need on this planet. May we put an end to police brutality. May we put an end to violence. May we put an end to death, unnecessary death. May we put an end to hunger and famine. May we bring what is good onto the earth. Thank all of you who have tuned in. This is a powerful work that we will continue to do in the spirit. We thank you for Baba. We thank you for Mama. We thank you for all the Babas and the Mamas. Thank all of you for joining us. If you haven't contributed to this worthy cause, you're welcome to do that. The signs are here. All the information is there. We thank you. We give praise, we give praise, and we give praise.
Tell people by contributing, they also, that's them making their sacrifice. By contributing. When you contribute and you help to carry this load, that's also you making a sacrifice for your e-rate, for your blessings as well. All right. Now you're one beat. Adukwe Akundayo Kunle. Adukwe Akundayo for being behind the scenes, working in a difficult position. We don't really know the tech. We're learning as we go. Good job. Couché. Bache Boboy Rumale. Wafuno ni Healing Bèmbé for the world. Aha. Bache Bobo Òrìṣà. Bogo Rumale Bache Babami. Ṣàngó Bache Mami Water. Ashe o. She Bobo Dara. Ilimu Ekuo. Obnuku. Obnono, Obnoyan, Obnofo, Obnuku. Hey! Ah!
Tell the people what that means.
Iji Faye, to the love. That means all is accepted by the Irumale, the divinities, whatever name that you use based on your culture. You know, we got the different cultures. Now the last question we ask is, are we done? Everything is accepted, but are we done? Is there anything else? Or something that our attention needs to be drawn to? Ejuwa fun, why not fun, why fun, ejuwa fumini, emo. Oh my, let me see truth. Fumini emo. Ora shaitan. Obnono, obnoyan, obnofo, obniku. Tawo, tama, tawalafia, tawashiariku, babawao, ashe. Obnono, obnoyan, obnofo, obniku. Oh! So this concludes the Healing Bèmbé for the world. We know we had some tech difficulties, and my social media was fading in and out because the iPads got hot in the sun. Something we'll know better for the next time. However, I have the full video. I do believe I have a full, uncut, clean video. Right? So I will post that up. It's long, so I guess I'll post it in sections. Yeah, it's going to be on YouTube. And it's going to be on everything. It's going to be on JUJUPOWER first. And we just want to say that we are champions. We come from long lines of champions. From our indigenous people right here, both African and of Asian stock, right here in Turtle Island, from Canada to Chile, and then from the original home in what we call today Africa. You know, we are champions. We are not victims. We're not victims. We have the power in Ashawa, in our culture, to overcome any obstacle or challenge that this life can present.
That's right. With the power of the Orisha and the power of the spirit, the power of the spirits, whatever spirit, whatever holy names you call, let them work for you.
Ati Ori, your first divinity.
Ashe.
Ori, your head. Ori Niokan.
Ashe.
All power to the people.
All power to the people.
Dobale. Get your contribution in. Make it real. Make it right. Orisha Bayo.
Orisha Beo.
Orisha Bayo. Orisha Bayo. Odabo.
Ashe.